Right now I'm standing on the corner of 17th Avenue and 44th Street. As you can see, this block has not yet been plowed, even though today is Wednesday. And snow has fallen on Sunday, which is 3 days ago. You actually look at the beginning of the street of 17th Avenue, you see the snow. Here you actually see some small tracks because some cars, four-wheel drive, have actually gotten out. But if you look in the center of the block, you'll see a huge mound of snow, about waist deep. You know, at the rate we're going, I think the snow's going to melt before it's actually going to get plowed. See, it's virtually impossible for these cars to get out. There are some people further ahead that are trying to shovel out their cars, but I think that's highly unlikely. People took out their garbage. I think they think the garbage truck is actually going to come pick up their garbage today. I don't know what they were thinking. So you can see the height of the snow. It comes up to the rear lights of this van, which is a higher up vehicle. This is actually my car, and I don't plan on taking it out anytime soon because it is completely snowed in, and this is actually the street. The street is not getting plowed anytime soon. I don't know what they're thinking. This is the road. The cars haven't driven here since the snow fell. Okay, this is my car. If you can see, there is snow everywhere. My tire wheels, look at my tire wheel. It is completely covered in snow. Okay, in the front of my car. In the front of my car, it's above my wheel, my front wheels. Okay. This is actually the entire 44th Street. I'm walking from the corner of 17th Avenue to Day Hill. I'm actually walking in the middle of the street, and this is what it looks like. Here we have someone standing, trying to get his car out. Good luck with that. You trying to get your car out?
How you doing?
I'm good.
You want to help us? We'll give you a shovel.
Yeah? You have four-wheel drive?
Yeah.
I don't think you could get out.
This guy can get out. Sure he can.
I don't know. You need people to push it and lift it or something.
No, definitely not. Watch when he gets he'll move it back and forth for you once he gets the snow off the window. He'll show you.
I don't think any cars
Down the block.
have driven down the block except for our car.
Look, here he comes.
Oh, here's the snowplow.
Here he comes.
It's not coming to us. This is going to be the last block in the neighborhood. It's a little side street. But I haven't seen one car drive down the block.
I thought you people had pull. You don't have no pull? What is it?
It's Bloomberg. I don't know.
Bloomberg is one of you too.
You messed us all up.
It was just on TV. I'm just watching it. We're doing the best we can.
What are they going to say?
Yeah.
He knows he's not running next year, so he don't care.
Oh, no.
He's got enough money to not worry about this.
But that's what I don't understand about it. Okay? Why? Do you think his businesses, he's a billionaire, right? He's an investor. All this stuff. Do you think that his businesses are losing money like the city? Like he says, like we're in, the position that we're in?
I don't know.
How is that?
I know. We're losing money. I don't know if he's losing money.
You know that?
He's going to find a way to make money.
The guy's supposed to be a genius.
He's going to find a way to make money off this story.
Listen, you can't spend more than you take in. You know that. And I know that. The city doesn't know that, and neither does the government. So they spend more than they take all the money, and that's what they do.
Yeah, but he's supposed to be wise. He should have got us there.
Check out the block. These people are arguing over Bloomberg. This is actually insane.